From their whiskers to their tails, the Disney Junior SuperKitties stuffed animals are super adorable. Inspired by the Disney Junior animated series, each SuperKitties plush kittens features the bright colors of their superhero suit and amazing details that brings the character to life. These faceless or fearless villains are ready for pretend play adventures in Kittydale and beyond. Made of super soft mixed fabric, the huggable plushies are perfect for snuggling in during nap time, story time, bedtime, and play, ranging in size from 6.5 to 8 inches tall. Each cuddly kitty cat makes a great companion for preschoolers on the go. Collect all the 4 characters to complete the team. SuperKitties, Ginny, Sparks, Buddy, and Betsy small plush toys are each sold separately for kids ages 2 years and up. And that includes Spark stuffed animals and pounce into action with the SuperKitties. Get ready to pow some playtime with the Disney Junior SuperKitties Spark plush toy. You will find the rest of the product in the description down below if you are interested. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.